From the drop-down menu AutoCAD, go to the Publish and send to the 3D print service. Left mouse button click. Next step, Contain, and select some object. Left mouse button click and select that, or maybe select the frame. Click the left mouse button and move the cursor. Select some object. Specify opposite corner. Next step, click the right mouse button or click the Tab Enter on the keyboard. Next step, click OK and enter the file name 3D Printing AutoCAD and click the Save. That's all about 3D printing on AutoCAD.